Hey students, welcome back to our maths class. Myself, Mrs. Shagufta Sheikh, is again back with our lesson number 13, multiplication part 2. Today we will solve the word problem. So let us start.
Today we will solve exercise on your page number 78 of your textbook. Today we will solve the word problems. So first question is, there are 18 sacks of rice in a van. If each sack weighs 105 kg, what is the total weight of all the sacks? Now here what they are telling, there are 18 sacks of rice in a van. And if each sack weight is 105, then what is the total weight of all the sacks? So, let us find the solution. The weight of one sack of rice is how much? 105 kg. Therefore, the weight of 18 sacks of rice is, here what we will do, we will multiply 105 by 80. 105 multiplied by 80, that will give us the total weight. So, now let us multiply 105 multiplied by 80. Now let us start from the units place. 8 multiplied by 5. 8 multiplied by 5 is 40. So this 0 first we will write here and 4 will be carried over. Now 8 we will multiply by 0. 8 multiplied by 0 is 0 and this 4 we will add in this 0. That will be 0 plus 4 is 4. So here we will write 4. 8 ones are 8 multiplied by 1 is 8. So here we will write 8. Now whenever we are multiplying the number in the tens place, what we do? First we write 1 0, then we will start multiplying. 1 multiplied by 5 is 5. 1 0 is 0. 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. Now what we will do? We will add both the answers. 0 plus 0 is 0. 4 plus 5 is 9. 8 plus 0 is 8 and this one will come down as it is. Therefore, what is the answer? The answer is 1890. The total weight of 18 sack of rice is 1890 kg. Therefore, the total weight is how much? 1890. Now let us see the second question. If the cost of one chair is rupees 750, what is the cost of 24 such chairs? Now here what I am telling, the cost of one chair is how much? 750. Therefore, they are telling us to find the cost of 24 such chairs. So now let us find the solution. The cost of one chair is how much? The cost of one chair is rupees 750. Therefore, the cost of 24 chairs is 750. We will multiply by 24. For finding the cost of 24 such chairs, 0. First we will multiply the number which is in the unit place. 4 multiplied by 0 is 0. 4 multiplied by 5 is how much? 20. So this 0 will write here and this 0 will be carried over. 4 multiplied by 7 is how much? 4 multiplied by 7 is 28. And this 2 we will add in this 28. That will become 30. Now here we will write 30. Now we will multiply the number which is in the tens place. But before that what we will do? We will write one 0. Then we will start multiplying. 2 multiplied by 0 is 0. And 2 multiplied by 5 is how much? 2 multiplied by 5 is 10. This 0 will write here and this 1 will be carried over to 7. Now we will multiply 2 multiplied by 7. 2 multiplied by 7 is 14 and this 1 which is carried over we will add in this 14. 14 plus 1 is how much? 15. So this 15 we will write here. Now what we will do? The next step we will add. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 3 plus 5 is 8 and 1 as it is. So how much it became? 80,000. So what is the answer? The cost of 24 chairs is rupees how much? 18,000. Therefore, the cost of 24 chairs is how much? Rupees 18,000. Now, question number 3. Make a 2-digit and a 3-digit number using the digits 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Only once. Multiply one with other. Now here they have not given us the proper number question. And what they are telling us to do? You have to make any 3-digit number using these numbers. You can take only this number and you can form any 3-digit number and 2-digit number for multiplication. And you have to remember that while you are using this number, you have to use it only once. So from this find numbers, you have to make any first 3-digit number and then 2-digit number for multiplying with each other. Now let us find the solution. Suppose 3-digit number is, let us take 786. 786 and 2-digit number as, now here we have taken 786. Now which number is remaining? 5 and 9. So let us take 59 as a 2-digit number. Here we have taken 786 as a 3-digit number and 5 and 9 as 2-digit number. That means 786 multiplied by 786 multiplied by 59. Now let us multiply. 786 multiplied by 59. 9 multiplied by 6 is how much? 9 multiplied by 6 is 54. So this 4 we will write here and 5 will be carried over. Now we will multiply 9 by 8. 9 multiplied by 8 is how much? 9 multiplied by 8 is 72. So this 2 and we had carried over 5. So in this 72 we will add 5. It will become 77. So 7 will write here and 7 will be carried over. Now we will multiply 9 by 7. 9 multiplied by 7 is 63 and this 7 will be added in this 63. 63 plus 7 is how much? 63 plus 7 is 70. So this 70 will write here. Now whenever we are multiplying the number in the text space, what we do? First we write 1 0 and then start multiplying. 5 multiplied by 6 is how much? Is 30. So 0 will write here and 3 will be carried over on 8. 5 multiplied by 8 is how much? Is 5 multiplied by 8 is 40 and the 3 which is carried over we will add it is 40. So it will become 40 plus 3 is how much? 43. So there is 3 we will write here and 4 will be carried over. Now we will multiply 5 by 7. 5 multiplied by 7 is 35 and this 4 we will add it is 35. So it will become 39. 35 plus 4 is 39. So we will write 39 and what is the next step? We will add both the numbers. 4 plus 0 is 4, 7 plus 0 is 7, 0 plus 3 is 3, 9 plus 7 is how much? 16. This 6 will write here and 1 will be carried over on the next number, that is 3. 1 plus 3 is how much? 1 plus 3 is 4. So what is the answer? 46,374. Now when we have multiplied 786 multiplied by 59, the answer is how much? 46,374. Have you all understood till here?
I hope you all might have understood till here. Here we have completed our multiplication lesson. Kindly subscribe our channel to receive further notification. Thank you.